guys, welcome to RCI Off-Road. You want to take a quick tour? Let's go. This is our R&D department. This is where we do a lot of prototyping. We do a lot of scanning with our engineers, and we do a lot of test fitting of new products on vehicles. See, we got our 2 shop trucks here. This is a nice new Pike Tundra bumper that we have coming out very shortly. So the process all starts out with some raw material. We run steel and aluminum products, and they all start out as flat sheets of material and come over here to our Amada 9K fiber laser. After it comes out of the Amada fiber laser, it rolls over here into our time saver. The time saver surfaces both sides of the material to remove any deburring or rough edges from the rock cutting. So this is an Amada CNC chop saw that cuts all of our tubing for our rock sliders. Full CNC tubing bender from Smart Technology. So after the flat plate comes out of the time saver, getting deburred and surfaced for a nice smooth material, then it's gonna come over here into the Amada press brakes. And this is the process where everything gets formed, shaped, and bent into the skid plate shape that it needs to be. So after the products get bent into shape with our CNC press brake, we have a couple of different welding processes. You can see here we have a couple of Vectus robotic welders, and we also have a very skilled fabrication team that weld all of our products together. One of the coolest pieces of machinery we have is this Lincoln automated robot that welds a lot of our rock sliders together from 4Runners, Tacomas. Once the products get all welded up, they come over here and get staged for our fully automated powder coat system. After the parts get staged for our powder coat process, I want to pass it over to Joel so he can give you a lot of the details about this sweet automated system.
Hey guys, it's Joel from RCI. I just want to take a minute to explain our powder coat process. Behind me we have a fully automated chain-driven powder coat line. It's got 600 feet of chain. It's got a 4-stage wash starting with an alkaline cleaning stage. It has 2 rinse stages, and then it has a zirconium stage, which is an acid bath for all of our parts. It goes through a dry-off oven to prevent rusting. And then if it's exterior components, they go through a primer booth, which is a epoxy primer. And they go through a gelling oven, which the gelling concept is it partially cures our primer. It makes for a better adhesion on the top coat. Then it goes through a top coat booth, which is polyester if it gets primed for the exterior components. If it's a skid plate, it just gets an epoxy coating on the bottom. Then it gets baked at 400 degrees to make for a very robust, awesome product.
So once the products come out of this final cure oven, they get staged here and make themselves into they don't make themselves. Once the products come out of the final cure oven, they make their way over here to our warehouse where they get packaged up and shipped out the door on their way to you. After getting packaged up, this is where all the packages find their way onto the FedEx truck and make their way to you. So as you can see, we use American-made products, and it's all made right here in Loveland, Colorado, all in-house. If you have any questions, need anything else, please reach out to us and let us know. Thanks for coming along.